I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Honda Insight key battery. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Slide this button and carefully pull out the emergency key blade from its slot. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to damage any internal components during this step. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery. Carefully remove the old, depleted battery from its compartment. Take note of the battery type, which is usually a CR1616 or CR1620 coin cell battery. It's crucial to ensure your new replacement battery matches the old one in both size and voltage for proper function. Now take your new CR1616 or CR1620 battery and insert it into the compartment with the positive side facing upwards. Make sure it sits snugly. Then, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a secure click. After reassembly, it's time to test your key fob. Try locking and unlocking your Honda Insight's doors to ensure everything is working correctly. If your vehicle has a remote start feature, confirm that also functions as expected. If you're looking for other great deals, including the Owala water bottle mentioned, be sure to check the description below for links and more information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.